Hello guys, welcome to my technology. So today I show you guys how to export this file into PDF. So I have this drawing in Autodesk or AutoCAD. So in your keyboard you click on Control, it gets key which is name CTRL. Click on that. Click Control plus, click P. Okay. And then it will appear like this, and then you click here, change it to, which one? Let me see. Swap it to PDF here, DWG to PDF here, okay. And click here, center here, make sure the drawing will be in the center of the PDF. Okay, here you can select any size you want, A3 or A4. For me, I prefer A4, okay. And then here, click on window. So you click the object that you wanna, that you wanna export to PDF. Okay, I wanna to generate at this, okay. Okay, you can preview here. See, yes. Okay, so you can save it. Click on Exit or ESC in your keyboard and click OK here. So save it to your any folder in your computer. So I'm going to save this place. So I save it test. So I save it in desktop. Okay. Click on Save. So here's your result. Yeah, here's the result. So you can export it. Yeah, very nice. And you can see here in your desktop. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye.